today. This is Teacher Maria, and today I will discuss you the comets, meteors, and asteroids. So, let's go!
Here is the objectives. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to discuss the origin and facts about comets, asteroids, and meteors. Compare and contrast comets, meteors, and asteroids. And last, acquire knowledge and apply things learned for everyday living.
We've been curious about inside the Earth. We have a lot of things that we already know. And now class, are you a bit curious about outside the Earth, or what we call as universe? Now class, let's discuss the characteristics and also the facts, the differences, and also the similarities of the asteroids, comets, and also the meteors. What do you think is the asteroids? The asteroids is a large chunk of a rock and the metals that orbiting to the sun. The size of the asteroids is vary from 10 meters to 1 kilometers, and the bigger one is the 300 kilometers. They stay in the space and found between of Mars and Jupiter, but a few travel in path across Mars orbit and some even across in the Earth orbit, also called a dwarf planet. The fact of asteroids. Scientists believes asteroids may have cause of extinction of dinosaurs. Also, asteroids move around orbits. Next class is about comets. The origin of comets is a copper belt and Oort clouds, or also called a dirty snowball that made up of ice rock and a dust that orbit the sun, ranging the size from 1 kilometer to 20 kilometer, size of a mountain. Astronomers believes that they are left over from the early formation of a solar system. Then the last characteristic class is about meteors. From the broken pieces of comets or asteroids, this is what we called meteors. The size of a meteors is smaller than the comets or asteroids from which they become. The meteors made of rock and dust. Facts about meteors, also known as the shooting stars that appears as streak in the sky produced by burning of meteor up the Earth's atmosphere. Meteor shower, and even in which a number of meteors are observed to radiate from one point in the sky. It is happened regularly. So class, let's summarize what that up in the sky. So the comet, asteroids, and meteors, where do they be? So the comet is made of ice, have tails, while the asteroids and meteors, it is made of rock and metals. The comet, asteroids, and meteors, it is stay in space. Where did they orbit? So the comet and asteroids orbiting to the sun, while the meteors, the gravity pulls to the earth, they burn up and they fall. That's all for today, class. Thank you and God bless. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.